Here we go. Ready? Oh, who's better than me? Yeah.
Hopefully this will be a good mate. This the writing surface to the side of the bar. Let's give it a shot. Key Mac.
All right, Albert. Hold on a sec.
Okay,
Just getting this all set up.
get it wrapped up.
All right, this is a big, big day, Al. Put in the writing surface. What, is it getting too heavy for you?
No. I just want to show them that you clamp this piece down, this case down.
Yeah, we got it clamped down to the bench. We have a couple of calls. All right, Al's got a call on that side. We have our clamps and we're ready to go. Now, you don't want to just put glue all over this surface. I mean, it's 2 feet long. By the time you start pushing it through the into the case, the glue's going to make it stick. You know what I mean, Al?
Yeah.
So what we typically like to do, Albert, is we like to put the piece of wood in here. See, I got the dado for the loafers already done. There you go. You ready?
We dry fit?
No.
Okay, we're all.
This is it, man. We're
All right.
100%.
Okay, good.
So you just go halfway, all right, Al?
Okay,
Push.
sounds good to me.
Whoa, that's it. All right. Don't
there.
get too excited. I know you're nervous.
This is great.
Okay, that's good. All right. Now what we want to do, Al, is you get your little glue brush over there.
I have a glue brush.
All right. You get your little glue.
Yeah, why don't you do the gluing and I'll kind of.
No, because we have to do on one side and I'll do
Okay,
the other.
cool.
Well, I don't care. You want to?
No, you do the
What we
glue.
want to do is we want to glue, Al, each side of the dado, okay? Al's nervous. He doesn't want to glue.
Well, you want to make one hand should do the gluing.
How come?
Well, I might put on a little less than you, a little more.
You just don't want to do it. Just admit.
Yeah, you're right.
All right. He's nervous.
I'm a little nervous. This
is
you get too many hours into this to follow something out.
Yeah, no kidding. Imagine if I messed this up. Forget about it.
You're just putting a light coat there.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be much, huh? Just a little bit, buddy. See that?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So now I have half of it done on this side. Now you're gonna love this. Now I come on the front side of this, huh? And I put glue on the front. What do you think of that idea?
I think it's a great idea. I never would have thought of that myself.
Well, I didn't think of it myself. Somebody told me that. Somebody told me to do it this way.
Looks good.
Yeah. So you put some glue on this
Well,
side.
it is a light coat.
You know what? It doesn't really need to be much.
Yeah.
Because the whole thing's going to be put together. What's going to really hold this case together is all the dividers. And this dovetail in the front, believe it or not, is enough to hold this case together. Huh? Oh yeah, baby.
This is the moment of truth.
Yeah. It's a little nerve-wracking. You know, people usually freak out when you start gluing stuff together. They start running around and this and that and get wound up, you know? Me, whatever. I don't care, you know? I'll just beat it in with a hammer if it starts to misbehave.
Hey, we can always if
Just get a bigger hammer.
Yeah, we can use some caulking.
Huh?
If there's some gaps, we can caulk them in.
Here. So I think that's pretty good, Al.
That looks good.
You think that looks good?
That looks fine.
All right. Be careful.
Nice and parallel.
All right. You know, this is going to be kind of ugly, guys, and you're going to be like, what the frig is T-Mac doing over there? But you know what? We're going to get it done. Get her done! Are you ready, Al?
I'm ready.
Now, don't push it all the way in. Just get it
I know.
close.
I'll just go right to the back edge of the dovetail.
Hang on. Work with me. Oh, wow.
Okay, wait a minute.
We're pretty close.
That glue creates a little bit of friction.
Yeah. No shit. Watch out. Go ahead.
Well, I'll hold the back of this case.
Al's going to hold the back of the case. All right. Now you don't want to smash in the cockpit. You know what I mean? See, I can't just jam this all the way in because the case is a little too far out, and if I do that, I'm gonna bang on the corners of my dovetail. So I need to put the clamps on now, get it a little tight, and then go from there.
There's one over there.
Yeah. Now this has to be like a two-step process, all right? So this one's only gonna be on lightly out, up high, okay?
Fine.
See how much I'm moving that in?
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
All right. Now I can continue
this-
smashing this in.
Okay?
That's okay. There you go. Now this thing's gonna be really tough to smash in. I'm so nervous! Alright, Al. That's it, baby. Alright. Yeah.
You sure you?
Hey, just listen to the master. Hold that there. Alright? Get Clint?
I'm there.
Now you send it
I'm sending it on the data.
on the writing surface.
On the writing surface, yes.
Yes, on the writing surface, yes.
Certainly am.
Al, you think the glue's dry yet?
Boy, I'll tell you, this is a quick set.
And it's humid, so. You get the clamp?
What do you need?
I need you to hold the clamp.
I got the clamp.
Do you need anybody? Come on, sing with me.
I can't.
Come on.
I'll dance,
I
but I won't
just
sing.
want someone love. Oh, did you hear that?
You popped in on this
It
side.
popped in, buddy. Now look underneath. You see how much we got to go in because of the data on the rabbit?
Not
See
much.
that? Want to see this little side?
That's it.
Oh, look at that, Al.
It's not bad. It's pretty good. You're hitting on the end of the.
Hold on, Al.
You're gonna put one in the front now, right?
Well, yeah, don't take that one off.
No, I'm not.
Because this one's still holding the pressure on that
Yeah.
ducktail, so you don't
Okay.
ruin that side. Now, Al, this should straighten the whole thing out.
It should.
Now you can see inside the case. See
Yeah.
how like it's
Yeah.
that interior's disappearing?
Yeah. You gonna clear that glue up?
Yeah, I'll give it a little chance to set up a little. How's it look right side?
Looks good.
I'm not very happy with that little corner right
It's
there.
not bad. The bottom's fine. The top corner's. But that's
Yeah,
not a big
looks
deal.
like.
That's what they make caulking for.
You know what?
Putty. That's what they use. Putty.
I say it looks like crap, but nobody in the world would notice it any different than me.
Excuse me. Can we go back off? I want to say something.
Hang on a minute. I gotta try to hide my mistake a little.
That's fine. Oh, I hate you. Ouch.
Yeah, you know what? That'll be fine. I'll put a little thing in there. You know what? This is good, America. You're gonna see that T-Mac is not totally perfect. I made a little mistake here, but by the time it's all said and done, I'll be.
Yep, he's at 90.
All right.
Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if. Let's see if
that freaking hurt.
Let's see if this is at 90. Is this an accident or what?
Is it not 90?
It's right on.
That's it, baby. That's because I did it. 2 for 2.
Look at this. You could get any better.
All right, do the dance. Come on, do the 90-degree dance.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, Al.
That's too lucky.
Hey, hey.
Go Howard! Go
Al's
Howard!
dance tape.
Go
It's
Howard!
what? Al's dance tape.
Go
It's
Howard!
what?
Go
Al's dance tape. How do you do
Go
it?
Howard!
I don't know how to do that dance.
Hey, time to go.
Dance. All right, thanks, Al.
Teachers,
All right, well, that's it.
did a good job today.
I get the writing surface in. Now you can see what I need to do now is I need to start doing the pigeonhole assembly. And I'm really excited about this pigeonhole assembly. It's quite different. Albert, I'll see you later. It's quite different than the last one I did, so I'm going to bring the camera over there and show you how I broke it down and how I redesigned this one as opposed to the Salem one. And we're going to get rocking and rolling. And hopefully before the end of the month, this will be done. Teachers out!